Hey guys, Swapni here back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you what's on my Android, and this is part 2 of what's on my Android series. The first video in this series featured the OnePlus 3 and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 3. Since then I have upgraded both my primary and secondary smartphones to the Samsung Galaxy S8 and the Google Nexus 5X. I still mainly use my primary smartphone for watching YouTube videos, content consumption, social media apps, making calls, messaging and whatnots. And given the fact that the Nexus 5X has had one of the best cameras of its time, and it's still with the Google's camera API and everything, this camera is really good. So I use this phone to record YouTube videos, and I also edit videos on the Nexus 5X itself. So I use the 5X for that purpose. So now diving deeper into the apps and the cases which I am using. So starting with the Galaxy S8 first, as this is a primary phone. I have a 2D merge case on it in this silver accented color, which looks really nice. I also have this logo of the website technac.in. It's a website started by me and my friend Param Prabhakar. So if you're interested in that website, there will be a link to that website in the description. Please do go ahead and visit that website and let us know your feedback in the comments below. Continuing with the apps which I have on here, as you can see, my home screen is very simple. I like to keep it functional rather than preferring form. So as you can see, I have this clock and the Google widget here, also the weather. So it can tell me what's the weather outside. Of course, I have the Play Store, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, and this is a new addition. This is Amazon Prime Music. This launched in India very recently, about 2-3 days ago, as of when this video is being filmed. And here I have multiple folders here so that I can arrange everything properly. Here in tools I have Clock, Share It, which is a very common app to share apps or even files. Cam Scanner, which is again a wonderful document scanning application. I have Wallpapers. This app is from Google, so this is really nice. I also have this PSU app. This is my college app. This is Google Contribute. In tools we have Prime Video subscription, of course, as they have some awesome content. MX Player to watch videos. Hotstar, again a premium sort of app where you can watch content similar to Prime Videos, but then the content I feel is slightly better. Photor to edit photos. So for an example, let's go and choose a photo. For example, this is my photo. I can do everything with it. All kinds of effects can be applied here, and I can enhance the photo. So it's basically a very nice photo editing app. Next up, we have Flight Radar 24. With this app, we can actually track real-time location of a particular flight or of all the flights. I have the YouTube's Creator Studio. In productivity, I like to keep Pages Manager so that I can manage my website's page, that is technac.in, and also SKTech's Facebook page, which is the Facebook page of this YouTube channel. I have Power Director, which is the video editing software of my choice. So as you can see, I've edited quite a bit of videos on here, and the results have come out really nice, as you can see from my YouTube channel's videos. Also have Gmail and Analytics. Analytics is basically an app which tells us about the traffic, the source of the traffic, what all devices have been used to access a particular website. I use this basically for TechNac. In e-commerce, I have the regular like Amazon, Flipkart, Ola, Uber, Paytm, My Airtel app, Flight Stats. This is the Bangalore Airport app, which is really nice, and this courier tracking. I showed this in my last video as well, but then again here I'll show because I feel this is a very underrated app. Here basically we can enter any number we want, not any number, this is the number basically which will track your courier, and then choose any courier service which we want. That way we'll be able to track all our couriers at just one location, that app. as it supports most of the courier brands. Here on the bottom I have phone, messages, YouTube of course, Chrome and camera. To go to the all apps in S8, we just need to swipe up. Here we have file viewer, find device, which is from Google, so quite helpful. Google Fit, again as I have already shown these apps. This is gallery, so nothing fancy here. This is Gboard, which is really nice. IMO is also a very nice app, basically meant for video calling, and it even works on 2G data. So if you're in an area where 4G isn't working or 3G is not working, you can go ahead with IMO, and even in 2G data you'll be able to video call, which is an absolutely brilliant thing in my personal opinion. I also have Internshala to find internships, which is again a really nice app. Down here I have Mi Store if I need to buy something from Xiaomi. I also have this motion stills. Basically this is an app from Google with which you can create GIFs. Next app is notification history or notification history log. Basically these apps allows us to view the messages of WhatsApp which have been deleted. As we all know, WhatsApp recently introduced that feature where you can delete a message which has already been sent until unless the person hasn't seen the message. You can delete them and they won't get to know about the message at all. So these apps help in recovering those messages, so that's there. What else do I have? I also have this Quora, which is again a wonderful app for question and answers if you don't already know. Samsung Pay, which I use very regularly at KFCs and all. Signal Care, which is an amazing app. It basically allows you to kinda improve the signal of a particular network operator in your particular area. Anyways, we'll close off. Next up we have Slides from Google, Snapchat of course. Space Basic is an app for my hostel where I live. Speed Test is an amazing app to test the speeds of the network which you are connected to, either be Wi-Fi or mobile data. It is probably one of the best and is used by a lot of people around the world. Next up I have Tape It. Basically this is an app to create new wallpapers. So basically there are multiple combinations of shapes and then there are multiple combinations of colors which you can apply to them. So as you can see, okay, then it is not connected so it won't work. I'll go into saved and I can show. Basically this is the same pattern, right? And what have I done is I've changed the colors and I've generated 6 different patterns. Not exactly pattern, different colored shades, which look absolutely cool. Further, I have this training project which I made using Android Studio. Then I have Truecaller to identify the callers, Twitter, Uber, wallpapers, WhatsApp. Wynk Music is an amazing app from Airtel with which you can easily listen to songs and even offline your songs onto the Wynk Music app itself if you have an Airtel number, which is a really good thing in my opinion. We also have YouTube Studio and Zomato. Zomato is basically a restaurant finder app and also it shows reviews of restaurants, the kind of food they offer and everything. Well, that was it for the Galaxy S8, which is my primary phone. Now coming to the secondary phone. Here also on the main screen itself, I like to keep it simple and functional. So I have a time, and again in a very similar layout I have 5 apps and 5 apps in the bottom. The first app is Power Director, Gmail, YouTube, Play Store, MX Player, dialer, messages, and this is all apps that's understood, the Chrome and the camera. Now here basically the first app, as I already mentioned about Power Director, as I was using it on the Galaxy S8, I use it quite a bit on the Nexus 5X as well to edit videos. So mostly I use the Nexus 5X to edit videos and the S8 to shoot the videos. That way I'm able to remove the excess files from the S8 and save some space which I may need in the future. Also have Gmail and YouTube with which my work gets managed properly. I also have CPU-Z here, which basically tells you about the specifications of your device. So the specifications are mentioned in a very nice manner here. Basically, you can see all the cores at what speeds they are running and what's the device, the internal storage, RAM, location and everything, which is really nice. Next up, we have power tracker as already mentioned, and share it of course, and again speed test. There's the app I downloaded to try it, but then I still haven't tried it. I should try. It's basically an app from Google to make payments, kind of similar to Paytm. I'm not very sure. Kind of similar to Paytm, but then this works on direct bank transfer, and Paytm works on you have to include money into your wallet. So that way this is kind of better, but still I'm still skeptical in using it, so I'll let you know guys when I actually use it. Well, these were the two of my phones which I have been currently using, and this was What's on My Android episode 2. Thanks a lot for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, feel free to hit the thumbs up button down below, and also don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Google+, and Twitter. Links to all of them are in the description. Thanks a lot for watching.